Hi dear students, welcome to today's class. Today we are going to discuss about pictogram. For visual understanding, the data can be presented in the form of pictures. What do you mean by pictogram? The presentation of an information, that is the data. The presentation of data in the form of pictures is called what? A pictogram. Let's consider an example. The following pictograph shows the number of absentees in a class of 30 students during the previous week. Observe the pictograph and answer the following questions. First, on which day were the maximum number of students absent? Second one, which day had full attendance? Third question, what was the total number of absentees in that week? Look at the above pictograph. We can find that on Monday, how many absentees are there? One picture represents one absentee. Monday, how many pictures are there? 5. Therefore, Monday, 5 absentees. Tuesday, 4 absentees. Wednesday, 2. Thursday, there is no picture. That is, none is absent. Hence, on Thursday, the class had full attendance. Friday, only one absentee. Saturday, how many pictures are there? Saturday, 7 pictures. Therefore, Saturday, 7 absentees. Okay. Find the solution of the above questions. First question, which day were the maximum number of students absent? Look at the above pictograph. We observe that in the row of Saturday, there are 7 pictures, and on all other days, the number of pictures is less. Therefore, the maximum number of absentees was on Saturday. Look at the second question. Which day had full attendance? In the row of Thursday, there is no picture. That is, none is absent. Hence, on Thursday, the class had full attendance. Third question, what was the total number of absentees in that week? Look at the pictograph. On Monday, how many absentees are there? 5. Tuesday, 4. 5 plus 4, 9. Wednesday, 2. 9 plus 2, 11. And Thursday, no absentees. Friday, 1. Then 12. Last on Saturday, 7 absentees. Therefore, 12 plus 7, 19. Thus, the total number of absentees in that week is equal to 19. Consider another example. Following is the pictograph of the number of wristwatches manufactured by a factory in a particular week. Observe the pictograph and answer the following questions. On which day were the least number of wristwatches manufactured? Second one, on which day were the maximum number of wristwatches manufactured? Third question, find the approximate number of wristwatches manufactured in the particular week. Look at the pictograph. We can find that one picture represents 100 wristwatches. First question, on which day were the least number of wristwatches manufactured? Look at the above pictograph. We can say the row of Saturday has least number of pictures. 5 complete pictures and 1 incomplete. As one picture represents 100 watches, so 5 complete pictures represent 500 watches. For incomplete picture, we take roughly 50 watches. Therefore, the number of watches manufactured on Saturday is equal to 550 nearly. Look at second question. On which day were the maximum number of wristwatches manufactured? The row of Thursday has maximum number of pictures. 8 complete pictures. Therefore, the number of watches manufactured on Thursday is equal to 800. Third question. Find the approximate number of wristwatches manufactured in the particular week. All rows of the week has 38 complete pictures and 3 incomplete pictures. Therefore, the number of watches manufactured in the whole week is equal to 38 into 100 plus 3 into 50. Therefore, total 3950. Clear? Next, drawing a pictogram. How to draw a pictogram? In a pictogram, the numbers, that is information or data, are represented by pictures or symbols. Sometimes the pictures are more than 1 units. In that case, what do? Let's check the following example. In a class, a survey was done about the preferred fruits of 36 students and the result is recorded as under. Types of fruit: banana, apple, mango and pear. Number of students: banana 11 students, apple 9 students, mango 10 students and pear 6 students. Represent this information by a pictograph.